Posting a job on Indeed is a simple process that allows you to reach a large pool of potential candidates. Here's how to do it. Create an employer account. If you don't already have one, sign up for an employer account on Indeed's website. Provide your business information and create login credentials. Access Employer Dashboard. Log into your Indeed employer account and access your employer dashboard. Start job posting process. Click on the Post a Job button or link within your employer dashboard to begin the job posting process. Enter job details. Fill out the job posting form with relevant details about the position, including job title, location, job description, qualifications, and any other pertinent information. Set budget. Decide whether you want to sponsor your job posting to increase its visibility. If so, set your budget and select your desired targeting options. Preview and review. Review the job posting details for accuracy and completeness. You can preview how your job posting will appear to job seekers. Publish job posting. Once you're satisfied with the job posting, click the Post Job button to publish it live on Indeed. Your job will be visible to job seekers on Indeed's platform and you will start receiving applications.